Welcome to day 13 of our 21-day public speaking challenge. Today focuses on crafting a speech outline template by highlighting keywords in your script. Gold. It is gold. Those golden expressions will serve as your GPS, providing a clear roadmap for organizing your thoughts and delivering a compelling speech. Let's dive into it and underline those essential keywords. So you have your script in front of you. What you want to do is to go through your scripts and identify keywords that encapsulated the essence of each sentence. You want to highlight keywords that will visually help you during your yoga class when you guide people in the yoga class while effectively conveying the main message. The keywords are your stepping stones through the whole speech and trigger your memory while keeping you on track when you go blank. The idea is to pick three keywords for each asana. For example, in mountain pose tadasana, what are your focus keywords? You want to perhaps have grounding, stability, and breath awareness. And so when you guide people into the asanas, you want to remember those three keywords. And then we moving into design a speech outline template using your underlined keywords to provide clarity and structure for organizing your thoughts, of course. Create a visual appealing template that includes images of the asanas and keywords to use during your yoga class, live teaching or recording classes, and those serves as a GPS when you go blank, when you need extra help, when you might have forgotten some contraindications and cautions and variations to give to your students when someone is contraindicated. The idea behind the speech outline template is to practice without reading your entire speech, while allowing you to feel more rooted and present, for example, with your students' needs, desires, and problems. Conclusion of today's class: highlighting keywords and creating a speech outline template is an excellent way to organize your speech. Practice it, trigger it to practice it as well, to trigger your memory during your yoga class and deliver it powerful while stay present with your student needs, desire, problems, injuries, whatever they share with you at the beginning of the class. Anyway, enjoy the process and, of course, stay dramatically different. Ciao for now.